Rode has sent this out to me. The Wireless Pro. This is not sponsored, but check them out in the links down below. 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, 32-bit float recording with time sync, as well as 2 lavalier mics included. Box inside of a box. First of the 2 boxes here labelled Wireless Pro. I do like the attention to detail here with the Rode branding on the zipper. You got the USB Type-C port, battery indicator, microfiber lining all across the inside. So you've got the 2 transmitters along the left and the receiver across the right hand side here, and these will be plugged in using their USB Type-C port, RX for receiver, TX2 there for transmitter 2, TX1. Beginning with the receiver first of all, so let's get this plastic off here, which you can tell you've got the receiver it's the only one with the screen. Along the top you've got the Rode power button. I would have preferred this to be actually power button symbol, but hey ho, we're going to press it and it should turn on. Now across the bottom here you've got the split merge audio button and the channel button here. Along the other side you've got Wireless Pro, and along this side you've got the 3.5mm audio jack and the USB Type-C data transfer and charging port. First mic's up here and it's very glossy indeed. I would have preferred a matte finish, but hey ho. So along the right hand side here you've got the lavalier mic that can be screwed in here. You've got the microphone in the middle and you've got the record button along the right hand side here. Wireless branding across the other side. USB Type-C data transfer and charging port. And you've got the Rode symbol across the bottom. So I'm going to press this to turn the device on. Boom, there you go. The device is on. The blue LED symbolizes a connection to the receiver. Obviously the REC is if it's recording, and if I press the button, there you go, that should now record internally. And you've got the battery green LED towards the bottom. Second microphone is shock horror, exactly the same as the first one. So we're just going to power it on here and we should get a green LED light for battery, connection blue there. You can see the equalizers there both going away from 1 and 2 microphone. And if I hit the record button, red LED switch on. Second pod here, see the goodies. We've got the magnets and the clips here. Lavalier safety guide, Rode branded suede cloth here, chuck that away. Lavalier mic clips and foam muffs, 2 lavalier mic, and hopefully you can see the detail on these. Dead cats for all of them. USB Type-C to lightning cable. Another smaller cable here, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Red Rode branded audio cable here. I'm amazed at how much they got into this little box. Check it out, we're recording on the Samsung Galaxy S24 here with my radio playing in the background there. What does the audio sound like here? It should be picking up absolutely everything, and you should notice a difference when we switch to the Rode Wireless Pro mic system. You should notice a bit more of a wider soundstage and a bit more isolation from the radio playing in the background. But do let me know in the comments section down below what you think.